So a lot of people knows that for example, people starting learning programming and they go like for languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, all of these popular languages, C++ and stuff like that. But none of them I mean, some of them really start doing things in Scala. I believe it's like really, really small percentage of people new coming into programming, and they face these popular languages which are not so, how to call this, they're like legacy languages. They need to support backward compatibility like Java, and they are uh, they are not so flexible. They are not they 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 really need to be cautious about adding new features not to break again this backward compatibility. And it leads to, how to call this, I think it's called like stagnating, like dealing with these legacy features from Java all over the places. So, and yeah, and when new people arrive, and not even new people but middle or senior developers come into the the development, where they are hugely impacted by design patterns, solid stuff like that. But so if we took this design patterns, refactoring guru, beautiful website, it also it also if we see this factory method, for example, it uses some kind of uh, pseudocode which is like Java or Python. So we use inheritance. So yeah, we use inheritance to to implement this design pattern which called like factory method. So I just wanted to show how we can implement some of the patterns not using inheritance like in Java, but rather composition, delegation, and interface and trait implementation like in Scala or other languages like Kotlin and Rust, supporting it like first class citizens. I don't know how to call this, but they open the door into composition, delegation, interface trait implementation, and not classes inheritance.